Are you looking for a buy and build property, or you are looking for habitable land that you can start building immediately? Look no further. This is Urban Prime 3 on Ogombo Road, where you can buy your land, build your dream home, and you start living there immediately. Hello, my viewers. My name is Olashile David, and I help people create wealth through real estate. That is the only language that I know. So here I am today on Ogombo Road. This is Urban Prime 3, and we are only selling the land here. We have 300 square meter and we have 500 square meter. 300 square meter is going for 36 million naira, and 500 square meter is going for 60 million naira with the title certificate of occupancy, that is COO. As you're looking at this estate, we already have people, more than 10 clients, that they are living in this estate already. So it's good for people that you want to acquire land now, you want to build, and you want to move in immediately. Or maybe you are looking for where you can put your investment that you just want to buy now, maybe in the next 1 year you want to sell. This is fantastic for you. This is good because by the time you do the investment, by next year it won't be the same price again, because this will increase. At least you are looking at 50% increment to 70% increment if you acquire now and you want to sell it next year. But if you're looking at real estate, you think long term. Let's say you want to sell it in the next 5 years. You believe how much you will sell this? I know that you will start calculating, but now you can get this, and with initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can get this. You can key into it and spread your payment till 12 good months. We've made home ownership easy for you. You don't need to bring all the box 60 million or 36 million. You don't need to. What you just need is to key in right away. You fill the form, and we will always tell our client not to default on any payment plan. So at the end of 12 months, you can get your land. And we have a lot of features for you. Look at it. We've started the road network. We've started this for people that they've moved into this estate, planted trees, because we want to breed good hair. So we encourage greeneries, greens, and that is why all these things you're looking at is natural, not artificial. You can see we've planted the trees and we are taking the road to the end. So there will be a very good road network in this place. And see, there's no cable dangling on people's roof. So it's underground electrification. All cables are underground. And we promise you 24/7 security. See our security there, they man that place every day, 24/7. So everything that we tell you that we are going to deliver, that is it. See our security posts, they are always there, be day or night, they are always there. And we promise you 24/7 electricity. This is exactly what they are enjoying now. 24/7 electricity. Can you see? It's serene, cozy, no noise. Can you imagine living in this kind of environment that you don't need to struggle with everything? You go to your kitchen, you open the tap, water is rushing, other kind of thing. Getting into, when you are in the house and you cannot even put your hands out, water is not rushing, it's not that one can give one headache alone, not having water. But it is not in this estate, because we have a lot of residents here. They started living here and they're enjoying everything. And also other infrastructure, will put it together. We put the swimming pool, the recreational facility, the gym, lounge, and this is the lounge, and the gym area. This is it. So The other facilities too, we are working on it so that we can put these together. So this is Urban Prime 3, phase 2, and the landed property is selling fast. So let me tell you, we sold out close to 90 to 95% now. So the remaining 5%, you just need to make up your mind now. Before you hear sold out, you need to make up your mind. And this is Aja access. You hear of the international airport that Lagos State just got approval for from the federal government. You can see this is what we've promised you, that we did video on it, we've talking about it over and over and over. Dangote refinery, seaport, fertilizer, all those things. You know the time we've been talking about all these things, but everything is coming together, you know. So don't tell the story, be the partaker of this thing. Because if you're telling that story to your children, I know your children will tell you, Daddy, Mommy, why don't you buy into this? And this is the exact time, this is the right time to buy this thing. This landed property, this is it, because the time you're supposed to buy it was 10 years ago. So this is the right time to key into it. Buy land. They are not making it anymore. Call me right away. My number is showing on your screen. Call me. I will be expecting your call. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and you turn on your bell notification. Follow us on all our social media handles. Like I said, call me right away. Let's do inspection. And I know that come back, you will thank me later for this. Don't procrastinate. I will be expecting your call.